Hey guys, it's CR250R Repair. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a plastic kit from Polisport. This is the full plastic kit. It's for the 2004 to 2007 Honda CR125 and CR250. So let's check it out. Alright, so it comes in a nice box like this. This is how it came, just delivered straight like this and taped shut. So first off, we're going to have our front fender. It's just a standard front fender. Here's the front number plate. So it comes with the red plastic and then the white number plates. Here's the two radiator shrouds, both in the same bag. Here we have our two side panel number plates in white. And here's the rear fender. Alright, and that's all it comes with, and I picked the standard color package, so that's red plastic with white number plates. Now there is a part of the plastic parts on the bike that it doesn't come with, and that's going to be the fork guards. So the Polisport full kit does not come with fork guards. You're going to have to buy these separately. So there's the part number that we're looking at here, and that's what I bought the white ones, fork guards. And those, they don't come with the plastic kit, so you're going to have to buy those separately. Hey, and I just want to add, if you guys have been around a long time like I have, you see when this started. I'm not going to date myself, but I remember when Polisport first started out, and it was the plastic you wanted to stay away from because it was really thin and kind of crappy. But I want to assure you guys that over the years, they've come a long way, and this is some high-quality plastic now, and I wouldn't second-guess yourself about purchasing this plastic. It's very high quality. It's solid, heavy-duty plastic, and I would put this on any bike without a problem at all. I put them on several different bikes, really put them through the ringer, abused them, scratched them up, crashed them, bent them, they bend back. It's good stuff. It's not garbage, guys. So keep that in mind. If you've been around a while, been racing a long time, you remember when they first came out, and they are top quality now. It's a top-notch product. But if you guys haven't purchased one of these kits before, I just wanted to put this together so you guys can give a quick look and see what it comes with, so you can kind of decide what kit you want. Some kits come with more, some with less. This is what the Polisport kit comes with. So hopefully you like this video. It helps you decide what kind of plastic kit you want to get. And if you want to order from Polisport, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, guys. Until next time, this is CR250R Repair.